Hi everyone, I am Dr. S. Katpagalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications UG of Dr. SNS, Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today I am going to talk about the SNS roadmap. Actually, we have the strong foundation for teaching and learning in Coimbatore city. So based on that, we have framed the roadmap of SNS. First thing is in SNS roadmap, the strong foundation. Second stage is framework and culture. Third one, growth and innovation. Finally, excellence and creation. In first stage, we have the challenge to create the entrepreneurial mindset among the students. That is the strong foundation. We have implemented the design thinking curriculum first time in India, and also we can have the patent for that design thinking curriculum. The design thinking curriculum is focusing on the logical approach to create the entrepreneurial mindset among the students, so that we are inculcating the problem solving case studies, teaching techniques to increase the students' creativity and innovation. That is our strong foundation. The second thing is framework and culture. We have 3P culture. We call it as 3P culture actually. Purpose, process and people. The purpose is called here every action there is a reason. So we have strong reason for anything innovation implemented in our institution. The second thing is process. We have implemented the 5 pillar activities for the accomplishment of entrepreneurial mindset among the students. The 5 pillar activities are called, first thing is Center for Learning and Teaching. Second thing is Center for Creativity. Third is Skill and Career Development. Fourth, the Industrial Institute Participation Cell. And finally, Social Responsibility Initiatives. These 5 pillar activities are implemented and practiced among the students and teachers to encourage them and grow them for their career development. So that is the process. Finally, we have the strong foundation and the process. After that, the growth and innovation. In this part, we can have the 7+ thirst areas, that is in our technology and business side. We have thirst areas that is called 7+ thirst areas of SNS. If we have any new idea or innovation to create the business, we segregated based on the 7+7 thirst areas. That is called, for example, we call it as innovation technology, based on innovation technology, robotics and automation, metaverse, gaming and digital trends, data science, AI, ML, these are all third category. Fourth category, Internet of Things. Fifth category, communication and growth, technology. Then sixth category, additive and manufacturing. Last, low code development. These are identified in the technology based thirst areas. In business based thirst areas are smart city, manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture and food technology, automobile, aerospace and defense, fast moving consumer goods, that is called retail, real estate, entertainment and finance. Then finally, power and energy. These are all innovation industries. So we have the innovation hub for starting or for creating the startup ideas through the 7+7 thirst areas. Then next, actually, we have the finally the final stage of SNS roadmap is smart OKR goals. Then excellence, and finally we have the dream, that is achievement of 1,000 AI startups in 10 years. That is the biggest dream of SNS family. So through this 5 pillar activities, 3P culture, design thinking curriculum, smart OKR goals, we can have the various online certification, publications, everything we can have. Based on that, the students can create the idea for startup, new innovation, and also we can create 1,000 AI startups in 10 years. That is the biggest achievement of our SNS institution. Definitely we will achieve that. Thank you.